Hello everyone! Today, we have the very special opportunity to witness the launch of a brand new electric car, a big step forward in the transition towards sustainability and energy efficiency. That is the Volkswagen ID.7 Tourer, a name full of prestige and potential. With the Volkswagen ID.7 Tourer, we not only witness the fusion of style and technology, but also the fusion of space and performance. This is not just a car, but also a wonderful experience, a perfect piece of our daily life. With its spacious design, ID.7 Tourer is not only a family car, but also an ideal choice for long trips and journeys full of memories. With space for up to 5 people and luggage capacity of up to 605 liters, every trip will be more comfortable and convenient than ever. And let's enjoy what's new with this ID.7 model. We will explore the sophistication and modernity of the exterior design of one of the latest electric car models from Volkswagen, the ID.7 Tourer. Length and shape. The ID.7 Tourer is a spacious touring car, yet still remains slim and elegant. With its long length and balanced shape, this car attracts attention at first sight. Front design. The front of the ID.7 Tourer is a highlight with a large trapezoid grille and the bold brand Volkswagen logo. Shiny LED lights and strong car doors create a strong and attractive appearance. Side design. The side design of the ID.7 Tourer is a perfect combination of fastback style and the features of a traditional touring car. Soft and sophisticated lines, along with typical Volkswagen details, create a classy look and express the luxury of the car. Rear design. The back of the ID.7 Tourer is the final highlight with modern LED taillights and a spacious rear door, creating a perfect appearance from every angle. We continue to explore the luxury and comfort of the interior in one of the latest electric car models from Volkswagen, the ID.7 Tourer. Spacious space. With smart design and space optimization, the interior of ID.7 Tourer provides comfortable space for both passengers and luggage. Comfortable seats and ample leg space help create a comfortable and relaxing driving experience. High-quality materials. Volkswagen used high-quality materials in the interior decoration of the ID.7 Tourer, from high-quality leather for the seats to details made of wood and metal, creating a unique atmosphere. Luxurious and classy space. Advanced technology. The interior of the ID.7 Tourer is not only a place to feel comfortable, but also a hub of advanced technology. With an information and entertainment screen displaying important and convenient information, along with a smart control system, you can enjoy every trip in a convenient and enjoyable way. Convenience and flexibility. The interior of the ID.7 Tourer is designed with top flexibility and convenience in mind. With smart storage compartments, a multimedia entertainment system and intelligent automation features, this vehicle is not just a means of transportation, but also a part of your daily life. Discover the power and safety of the powertrain and safety systems in one of the latest electric vehicle models from Volkswagen, ID.7 Tourer. Modern powertrain system. ID.7 Tourer uses an advanced powertrain system, providing strong performance and energy savings. With a powerful electric motor and high-tech lithium-ion battery, this vehicle not only provides a smooth driving experience but also helps reduce environmental pollution. Wide voltage range. ID.7 Tourer is equipped with a wide voltage range, allowing you to take long trips comfortably and confidently. With the ability to travel up to 685 kilometers according to WLTP standards, you can explore more places without worrying about charging. Advanced safety system. Safety is always Volkswagen's top priority, and the ID.7 Tourer is no exception. This car is equipped with advanced safety features such as ABS braking system, ESC anti-slip control system, forward collision warning system, parking assist sensor and many other safety features to protect you and your passengers on every trip. Automated driving technology. ID.7 Tourer also brings convenience and safety through advanced automated driving features such as intelligent speed control, cruise control system and lane departure warning system, helping to reduce the risk of accidents and increase driving safety. In short, the Volkswagen ID.7 Tourer is not only a modern electric car, but also a symbol of strength and safety in today's electric vehicle industry.